Ke Greater Accra MPC fẹ́ ànàjà wọ́n hàn yẹn ayeko mmọ̀kyẹ́ okule dẹ́nkyẹ́ ajọ onye nọ́ni yẹ tún mí nẹ́nẹ́ nyẹ bí bàbá ni wọ́n sẹ́kù ẹ̀ ambada nyẹ si nyẹ yẹ Ghana bí ayé anọkwalẹ̀ nyẹ yẹ Ghana mẹ bí anọkwalẹ̀ ní tsọfẹ dẹ́nkyẹ́ adanyẹ fẹ́ si kẹ́nyẹ si bí ẹ̀nyẹ yà si anyumọ dẹ́nkyẹ́ abunyẹ yẹ ne kẹ́nyẹ ayá alọ̀ntẹ́ dín kò akafo nyẹ tẹ́ mọ̀kọ́ yìí twẹ́ nìkẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́mẹ́ akala ayé nọ́ni bàá fọ òṣìṣẹ́ gbélé dègbé ẹ̀yàjẹ̀ sọ̀n in fact ẹ̀yàjẹ̀ yẹn MPP headquarters ṣìmọ̀ ẹ̀ nọ́ni bàá fi ànọ̀nyá nọ̀yà kẹsọ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ fẹ́ yẹn nìyẹn ní kẹ́nyẹ àṣẹṣẹ́ àjọ yẹn fi nùmọ̀ àjọ yẹn fẹ́ yẹ tọ́ ló mà nyá bá.
So this cannot be a hotel which lacks liquidity, which is running. As we speak, Labadi Beach Hotel has consistently paid dividends to government. Last year they paid 25 million. The year before they paid 10 million. So how can anybody say that these are struggling hotels? If you look at Ridge Royal, very profitable. La Palm Royal was very profitable until recently when they made wrong appointment. So we are saying that if the Honorable Brachampo has any great ideas, great vision to manage hotels, even though his own hotel is making losses, he should bring it to bear in cabinet. He should not say that unless he buys these hotels, they become his private properties before he will share that expertise. I mean, that is the height of unpatriotism. That is the height of callousness. It simply does not make sense. And I want to thank all our partners, the TUC, the Federation of Labour, the United Gadangbe Caucus, the Coalition of La Youth Associations, the Progressive Forces, the Ghana Action Network, the opposition parties, the CPP has called, the PNC. You know that as for the NDC, the Minority Caucus, we are leading the charge and we are here. You've seen our chief whip, you've seen leadership of the caucus, you've seen the Greater Accra MPs all here in their numbers. We expect to have a massive demonstration, and when we present our petition, President Akufo-Addo will have no choice but to immediately tell his appointees, those who are selling SSNIT and those who are buying from his cabinet, to immediately back us. So I am really, really impressed with the Ghanaian people. This shows that the Ghanaian people, they are eye-red. The Ghanaian people are saying, we don't agree. The Ghanaian people are saying, take your hands off. The Ghanaian people are saying, the looting must have a limit. It must come to an end. As we speak, Parks and Gardens, they went to work one day and they were told by people who just showed up that they are the new owners. Look at what Labadi Beach Hotel is suffering. The only beach hotel in this world that does not control its beachfront. The Blay brothers, Freddie Blay's children, say that they are now the owners of Labadi Beach Hotel's beachfront. How can we have a beach hotel without a beach? Only in Ghana, only under Akufo-Addo and Baumia as vice president. See what is happening all across the country. See what has happened to the airport lands. See what is happening to lands belonging to the state in all our regional capitals. So this is a protest against the plutocracy that is marauding, that has invaded this country, and that is determined to leave nothing at all for the next generation. My understanding of public office is that what is given to you to look after, you must make sure that you protect them, and then you even add onto it. Because if our predecessors did not establish Labadi Beach Hotel, La Palm Royal, will you now be talking about buying them? And you are buying them for cheap. Don't call me sales. The valuation says that these 4 hotels should not go for anything less than $121 million. And yet, the Honorable Brian Champo is offering $61 million, half of the valuation report. And he's saying he will pay over a 3-year period. And what is going to happen is that he will use the very profitable Labadi Beach Hotel to pay for the rest. I mean, where does this happen? I mean, which country in this world do you hear that cabinet ministers who have been asked to protect state assets turn around and buy it for themselves? I mean, no regard for the Ghanaian people, no respect for ethics, no respect for the people they serve. We as public officials must be working to add to the stock of state assets, not depleting them and annexing them for ourselves, for private gain. And that is where this demonstration.
Yes, I was saying, I will pay more. Labadi Beach Hotel. Now, bad demonstration to change to be air cost one thing. Nina demonstration and say, dear, I could to a black white catch him like that. The mammy church him that cranat here. Labadi Beach never convenient. Nana say, Brian Champon, in any story, I say, Brian Champon episode to Labadi Beach. La Palm Royal Beach, any other hotels. Yes, City Labadi Beach ni, and La Palm so any one of them. Brian Champon, our Greek minister, person to Labadi Beach, hotels, any other hotels, no. SSNIT percentage at a cheap price, at a cheaper price. ABI $120 million. Brian Champon say ABI, Obama $61 million. That's half of it. And what it be about 3 years needing 8 years. 3 years needing 8 years. And the international started this demonstration up. So that they are more protesting, demonstrating against say there be no. It's even cheap. Standard in Issa. So I say standard in Issa. And Africa no. Come back to no man then. Omo Anton. And until now I'm be convey one say at some way demonstration no.
This time on about their property here. Ni papa no ya fisherman ni papa ya fisherman no be company ya to ponu aha hotel ya ni ba no ha ya aduma for past years in ka bia ni yo lebi ni
Akachi
papa fantiel kan ojimi wo ka gama spon gama no o no jabie no go ba ta ka ti ametie woni amenire ye wo he la meji wo la pa e aso da me o Papa Fante, what time I come for a nigga of you, come see, come say, what my hotel yet, God, David, no, I see, none you fear one year mobile, what be fair, yeah, I come of junkies. Kẹ́jẹ́ Fantoni Ojiwe, Otuni. Wọ́n hẹ́ tí a fẹ́ wọ̀ ni. Ewa ń wẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́bi náà ń ṣe ní ìlú wọn bí ẹ̀. Ń sọ ẹ̀dọ̀ klákláklá.
Tuẹ́fẹ̀ ni wọ́n á tún ní fíofíò ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní èkó ni wọ́n yọ. Ó máa kún mọ́ tuẹ́fẹ̀ fẹ́. Polyclinic dé. Káwọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọlé. Káwọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọlé.
We battle me to Biao. Battle Hanu, I had Hanu. Yania brief papa. I don't know, I said, when you say I don't know. Over was I a free taxi and I buy taxi in a badinu, I baku, Yania for me Badamunu, ya wajom, or sis. Me on my bed, me so me brother me to me back. Or Yaduma, or just square. And I Hanu Muton. Saturday to Baba Kumase, you crop over Kumasa, some of my assassin, and I'll be Papa Hoduma, you crop over at home. Let them Mudia, I go for the and Wabaku, where Polyclinic go on fear. Yabaru Kwaba to Makoya tomorrow, on the top of her card. There, Busum Nudra, near Tuamuka. One Bubu, who fee 4 years, 5 years, 6 years in it. I then. Went for a year to my honeymoon. I don't know why I got that honeymoon. I then, up there, Trefen. The year to a home, Trefen. You got Tom Benku, you don't know, you don't be Biao, you don't Tadio, you got Star Horma, you Twaka, up at Sabi Biawa, Ghana. I then, up by your Paruto, on Hanumay, number of the Polyclinic Kurumay. On Hanumay, number the Polyclinic Kurumay, on Hanumay, number of Polyclinic Kurumay, on Brabani, and never know what's Henu. I saw a uncle, and you say never know my. And yes, I was saying never mind. The bottom will know me about. I did.
Boy, can't be fair, God, I'm a Yetiashi. Cannot be fair. Everyone say what I mean. May I pay champagne? May I pay champagne? What you need? I pay champagne. No, I make my hotel name. I could find a cabin, family and friends, and a kind of hotel. Then what can I mean? Back off your hotel. One man, and a hotel. La Papa, where they put Papa, where they put it's a more Papa, Akufado, but Magonia Tilawa, a Catalama here, what can back off, Gang Hotel, all the hotels, our hotel. We are tired of Akufado. We are tired of Akufado government. Let Akufado take off and back off. We don't want Akufado in this country. We don't want Akufado anymore because with the family and friends, they are destroying us. They are destroying us. They are destroying our nation. They are destroying our land. We don't want them. We don't want them again. Okay. They should back off. They should back off. They should back off. They should back off again.
It's a critical LNC. So I say now, Fenam, a demonstration ever shall say. Now, I end this in penny for the brain, so I ban him. Yes, I alone. The brain so many VIP bars said in air back. I said that was an empire bedding, a bit of jack, empire bedding, a bit jack. So, there's a person of a kind of a penum. Hotels now to say, hotels now, SSNIT our percentage, woman to say, on Monday was a core retirement time. I'm in a papa nominee and I'm core retirement time. It's your Mokan and a woman. Branch upon, say, or heading, or talk. Yes, no autonomous son, yes, ABR, or 20 now, or 7 years, not the 3 years hiding, 8 years. Yes, and a periphone saying, I'm on Tiasse, I'm very protesting, I demonstrate against it. But I say, Jabia, Jabacosibia, son, at the bed, at the bed.
To establish a firm culture which will severely frown on government or state or public office holders using their access to power to buy state property. We think it's wrong.
What if the government fails to
the bridge when we get the riches?
Okay.
Oh, okay. I love doing all our things within the context of the Constitution. The Constitution of Ghana, Article 41I, says that as one of our duties, we must always cooperate with lawful agencies in the maintenance of law and order. So on the part of us, the demonstrators here, we are doing everything we can to cooperate with the police to achieve our intended purpose, which is to go have a peaceful, successful, and impactful demonstration. So we can see a few things happening here, or happened a while ago, but the police tear gassing the protesters just to mar the beauty of this demonstration. I think that was unfortunate, because the agreement we had with the police was such that nothing of that sort would happen. You understand? But it takes all sorts to make the world. So there are still some bad or rooks in the police. Yes.
Many people are coming. We are driving
You know this day everybody want to go and go off for me. That's simple life. It's all we want to believe. Looking nobody in the shelter. Simple life.